Let me ask you something. If you woke up tomorrow and everything you worked for disappeared, would you panic or would you have a plan in place? Most people aren't prepared because they never built a blueprint. Today, I'm going to share with you the exact blueprint that I would use if I had to start from ground zero. Step number 1. Generate cash flow. The goal isn't a perfect business, it is immediate cash flow. I would work, deliver, freelance, mow lawn, or sell a service. No, I ain't that desperate. And you shouldn't be that desperate either. But at the same time, pride doesn't pay the bills. Cash flow buys you time, and time allows you to make smart decisions instead of desperate ones. Step number 2, stop looking rich or trying to look rich. I would cut unnecessary spending immediately. Stop trying to impress people who are not paying your bills. Live below your means while building above your circumstances. Temporary sacrifice creates long-term freedom. Step number 3, learn a high income skill. The money follows the value. Learn a skill that solves expensive problems. AI, marketing, content creation, bookkeeping, or real estate. They can take your possessions, but they cannot take away your knowledge. That's why I'm not scared to start from the bottom. Not only have I been here before, but I know how to get out of this situation. And when you end up back at the bottom, it's not a failed business. This is a lesson. It is a mistake that you will not make again. So if your business hits the bottom, don't quit on it. You just got to tweak a little something. The goal is to be 1% better every day. Step number 4, build while you work. Don't quit your job because you're frustrated. Your job is your first investor. Use it to buy equipment, education, systems, and anything that helps grow your business. Build the bridge before you burn it. Some people burn bridges before they have a next step, and then they try to come back, and the employer is like, that's why it's important not to burn bridges. My resume is flawless. I can go back to any job I want to because my name is my name. But that is a security net for me, and I need to go back across one of those bridges. Don't burn bridges. Last but not least, step number 5, buy assets. Not only assets, income producing assets. When the income increases, do not automatically increase your lifestyle. Buy assets that have potential to produce income. And ownership gives you options and move you closer to freedom. Real talk, life changes quickly. Jobs disappear, businesses struggle, plans fall apart, but your work ethic, character, discipline, and faith stays with you, and you keep that. Those are the real tools that will help you rebuild. This episode encouraged you. Like, subscribe, and share with someone who is rebuilding right now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the toasty tip of the day. Your job is your first investor. Let your job fund your business, and therefore it funds your freedom. Stop chasing more money and start building ownership and systems. Income pays today's bills, but ownership builds tomorrow's legacy. Freedom isn't something that you wait for. You start with decision. One paycheck, one investment, and one step at a time. Thank you guys for tuning in. I am your God-fearing, gracious, humble host, Eric Pinkney, and I thank you guys for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to share with your mom and them. Big shout out to my ace, my baby sister, Erica Pinkney. I love you. Peace out.